Welcome to being a YouTube creator. It's an awesome and rewarding journey, but it doesn't start or end with the create a channel button. There are a lot of things that can either slow, limit, or completely stop your channel from growing, which means no income and no financial independence. But what if I told you it didn't have to be that way? I'm gonna tell you how to start a YouTube channel the right way so that you can get your first 50 subscribers. It is crucial to pick a niche that you are not only passionate, but knowledgeable in. This may seem like a no-brainer, but it's really important to pick a niche that will keep you motivated to be a content creator for the long haul. Take some time to brainstorm some niches that interest you, and then think about the different types of emotions and feelings that each one evokes. It's so helpful to consider why you are drawn to a particular niche and what unique perspective that you bring to the table. I would love to know what niche you're in and why you picked it, so let me know in the comments. The next step is to identify your target audience. Who are these people? What do they care about? And what is missing in their lives that your channel helps fill? These are all important questions to answer when defining your target audience. By knowing your target audience intimately, you'll be better equipped to create content that speaks directly to their needs. For the complete list of questions and prompts to answer to define your target audience, check out the description. And once you have a clear target audience, it's time to think about what value your channel provides. What problem do your viewers have, and how do you help solve them? By understanding your audience's pain points and coming up with creative solutions, you'll be able to craft compelling thumbnails and titles that will entice viewers to click on your videos. And let me guess, you want YouTube to show off your video, right? In order to do that, you must know what matters to the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm is all about keeping people on YouTube, so the videos and channels that do that will be rewarded. To see how well you're doing, you're gonna first need to go to your analytics and pay attention to 3 key metrics: impressions, click-through rate, and retention. These will give you an idea on how well your thumbnails and titles are performing and your video. And while you'll hear a lot about keywords, they shouldn't be your sole focus. Instead, focus on creating compelling thumbnails and titles that will entice people to click and watch. And don't be afraid to study your competition and see what they're doing to get a sense of what's popular on YouTube. This will let you know what's working for other creators and be able to identify the gaps of knowledge that they might not be providing that you can fill with your own content. Additionally, consider joining forums or Discord servers or Facebook groups where your target audience spends their time, so you can stay up to date on their interests and any new challenges that they might be facing. Doing these things will help you stand out on YouTube. It can be really tough to be unique in such a crowded space, but there are always ways to make your channel stand out. One way is to be open to experimenting, trying new formats and styles. One of them might actually be the thing that launches your video to virality. You can also differentiate yourself by bringing your own awesome personality and unique perspective to your content. Don't be afraid to be authentic and vulnerable in your videos. This will be able to help you connect to your viewers and build a loyal following. And whether you're a product review channel, unboxing channel, makeup tutorial channel, a movie review channel, or a gaming channel, these strategies that I just went over will help you find your audience and turn your passion to a thriving business. But you're not done there, because if you want to make great videos and get those subscribers, you need to check out this video right up here.